Europea. La scuola che ha vinto il spirito proprio.
So hi, this is Chris Pierre and welcome to another vlog. We're in sunny Lithuania here, as you can see. We're in the capital, which is called Vilnius. I'm here to meet my friend from Holland, come all the way from Eindhoven. This is Julius. Say hi. Yeah, so basically me and Julius have known each other for about 9 years now, is it? So, yeah, about 9 years, and we met in Australia traveling. So we basically decided to meet up and catch up, but in a different country. So we thought we'd choose a nice snowy location.
We didn't expect the weather.
Yeah, not really, but oh well, we'll make the most of it. And yeah, so we're gonna waiting for our cab to take us to the hostel now. It's called Jimmy Jump House.
Yeah.
And once we're there, we're gonna check in and check out Vilnius. See you in a bit.
Bye.
Found basically a local Lithuanian place, so we recommended this place via the lady at the hostel where we checked in. So what we got is some local food where I'll show you now. So we have here Lithuanian potato dumplings, and with that on the side I've got some potato pancakes with some sour cream, and basically Julius has got some dumplings with meat only. Yeah, so we're gonna eat this now and see you after this. Hey, we're just chilling in the hostel. We haven't been here too long, it's only our first day. However, one good thing so far I'll say about Vilnius is that it's very clean. So the streets are nice to walk around as there are no rubbish anywhere. One negative I would say so far is that even though it is cold and you just accept it, when I do take my gloves off to take a picture, for example, within a matter of seconds it is so bitterly cold that it is actually unbearable pain for me anyway. Okay, let's see what my hostmates think. Can you tell me your name and where you're from?
Hi, I'm Benny. I come from Taiwan.
And one good thing about Vilnius and one thing not so good.
One thing good in Vilnius is every architecture is really different from other country.
Okay.
And one bad thing, nothing.
Nothing. No bad things.
McDonald's
is McDonald's is expensive than Latvia.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. And you?
Hi, I'm Margot from France, and the good thing is the food in Latvia because it's really good and really cheap.
Yep.
And the worst thing I can say is the weather.
The weather.
Yeah, here is the weather.
I agree.
Yeah, but not normal.
Yeah, not normal.
Okay. Excellent.
Okay, so hi, I'm Heidi, also from Taiwan.
Yep.
And the good things is the view from the cross. Yeah, the park. And the bad things is the bell. The bell in the skirt.
The bell.
It was totally like contradiction because the architecture there was kind of typical one, and there is a electronic bell.
Really?
You guys will see.
Yeah, it's our first day, so we're not sure.
Yeah. So you will see.
Is that around here? I mean, whereabouts is that exactly?
10 minutes
10
far.
minutes walk,
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll check that out and add it to the video.
Yeah, but but I'm really glad. I'm really glad that I travel with these two guys and then meet you guys.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Good morning. We're here in the sunny Vilnius. It's currently minus 13 apparently, but you know we're wrapped up, ready for war. So right now we're on the way to a walking tour. It's going to take us around the old town for a couple of hours, and then after that we're just going to see what happens. So see you in a bit, guys.
Tell me what to do. try to keep us down, but we are backing out because the time is now. Screaming till you're breathless, till other voices drown. We ain't backing down. Oh, our time is now. Don't wanna keep the light, don't wanna feed the fire. Tell me what to do. Hey, hey, listen in the morning, it's leading me.
Just finished a walking tour. It was very insightful and a lot about the history of Lithuania. Just bumped into some students who are filming a local journalism project, so they're interviewing us and just asking some questions. So Julius is getting interviewed now, and then it'll be my turn. So here we go. Okay, so behind us we've got this bell that our hostel mate was saying that she didn't like yesterday. So for me, I think it's pretty cool because it does look quite modern, but yet old school to it as well. So if that makes sense. But for me, I think it suits the area fine. What do you think, Julius?
I think it's fine. We didn't hear it ring yet. So
yeah, it might.
we don't know if the noise is annoying, but
Yeah, it might be a.
good.
Yeah, it might not be a traditional bell noise. It might be like a digital iPhone ring.
A ringtone.
Yeah, we don't know. But
Yeah. And now we're gonna get up the hill. And,
Yeah. the hill is here. I don't know if you can see it, but like this is the hill of 3 crosses, which apparently is a 10-minute walk to get there, and then basically loads of steps. So I think it would be good in warming up.
yeah.
Anything?
So and then we have a good view of the whole city.
Yeah, awesome. See you there. Yeah.
See you. Beautiful view here.
Yeah, we're at the top of the hill with the 3 crosses. It's a beautiful view with the sun in the background. It's a great location.
Yeah.
So I'm sure in maybe an hour or so, it'll be a great sunset as well. Don't know if we'll stay that long, but you know, as you can see, absolutely beautiful. Even though it's cold, you know, after that walk and also you know the sun, it makes it you know bearable.
It makes it worth it.
Yeah. Very nervous. Here the hostel crew.
Yeah.
Who we got here?
I'm Laurent from Belgium.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Alex from Belgium. Chris is a cool guy.
Again, Julius from the Netherlands.
Where are you guys?
I'm Pierre-Marie from France.
Chris from London.
No shit.
So this guy is like
A fucker. You go.
this guy's got I don't know, he's got heat in his body somehow. I don't know how he does it.
Yeah, to stand the cold, yeah.
It's minus 15, I think.
Minus 15 now, but like
That's great.
Just
Yeah.
chilling outside.
the hostel love keeps us warm.
Yeah, exactly.
What the hell?
feel really comfortable with that.
Yeah,
You've done this before.
Yeah, it looks so natural. It looks so natural, bro.
Oh, okay. That's why.
So weirdest things happen. Basically, we had to leave to go to Trakai, but basically 3 of us have had our shoes taken this morning when we tried to go out. So we're looking at CCTV at the moment, trying to find any suspects, but it's just crazy, man. Annoying. Okay, so we're on the way to Trakai on this bus where it's dead cheap. It's only €1.80 to get there, so it's about 35 minutes. Alex and Antonio at the back has been given spare shoes, basically.
Yeah.
So here's Alex's ones. Got some fancy brown shoes.
Yeah.
And Antonio's got some size 43 grey trainers. A bit coincidental how they had your sizes though.
Yeah, still, at least there's that.
Yeah. And the receptionist, we did some like investigation. They checked the TV camera.
Yeah.
And we have a suspect, but you know, just wait.
Police is about to get involved.
Yeah, apparently. So we'll see what happens. Basically.
Later we'll get some guns.
Yeah, we're going gum shooting later. So
Imagine police guy.
good timing. So we'll see you in Trakai.
See you guys. Bye. Bye.
This is walking literally on the lake. It's full of ice and snow. This is actually surreal. Oh my god. Oh my god. These guys, these crazy people.
Ваши сын. Atenção, Sr. Martin. Escuta de Vitor de Chile Profil.
One.
Oh my god, look at him. I like it. What kind? Yeah, how's your pizza?
Disgusting.
Disgusting, yeah?
No,
it looks disgusting.
Awful.
How about you, Alex? How's your
Praise to the good memories. Like if you watch this video in 7 years,
Yeah?
you'd be like,
Delighted.
you'd be like, Mary, this is your father-in-law.
Right, okay.
I don't know what I said. I'm drunk.
Day 2 of being a vegetarian and
Yeah,
it's good. It's
I've
good.
converted Julius to vegetarianism.
Ah.
And he's doing very well.
It's good.
I'm very proud of you. Very proud of you, Julius. Got newest member to our crew. Got Kirsty. Yeah. Got what's this? What's pizza? Mushroom.
Made it up.
Made it up. Yeah, looks
Whatever wasn't meat pizza.
looks lovely.
Like all the stuff on the floor, they just put it.
Yeah.
Got Mr. Northampton.
Yeah, that's what they call it, vegetarian.
Whatever was left.
Well, pizza, it stays with it.
Okay,
There was
very
a
nice, very nice.
cheap option.
We've got Croatia over here.
Only meat.
Only meat, yeah?
Only meat.
No vegetables.
He's a hard man, so he needs meat. And we've got...
Yeah, it's really tasty. It's like something Italian.
We've got Belgian.
Apparently.
Nice. And we've got olives here. Loads of olives. Excellent. Okay, bon appetit. Hey guys, so I'm just going to wrap up now quickly. I'm just at the airport ready to board the plane. Having a great weekend, and Julius went home earlier today. Pros and cons of the holiday. Obviously the negative is that, you know, at the hostel my boots did get stolen along with other people's as well. If you're thinking, you know, I don't stay in hostels because of this, you know, don't believe that a second. Normally it's built on trust. You know, I've gone around hostels around the world and it's the first time it's happened. So positives are very pretty country, very clean, very welcoming, very hospitable, good food, very cold weather of course, but you know it makes the town very pretty. So I do recommend a weekend here. Yeah, so if you're watching this right now, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, please subscribe, please leave a positive comment, and I'll see you in the next trip. See you later. Bye.